Okay, team, so it looks like some of those bottom bound targets that we were looking for on XRP were actually hit. And this is a pretty important moment because it does give us the understanding over the gravity over how things like the tether dominance can move, as we did nail some of those targets to the upside as well. So the correlation between them is, of course, inverse, right? But the magnitude is really what I was more curious about. So although we did record one video and kind of just deleted that one and put up a whole nother video on it, it kind of highlighted a little more of the impact that was going to come through via the inverse side of XRP using the tether dominance. So let's figure out if this upside that we're getting on XRP is short-lived, or is it the beginning of an accumulation period like we talked about yesterday. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and figure that out now. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. My name is Arca, coming at you on Tuesday, November 4th, 11:04 p.m. Pacific time. And what we're seeing here is, we're getting a little bit of a punt to the upside in the 6-hour time frame of XRP, bottoming out at that 206 area that we spoke of, 206, 207, right? And it's sitting at 224.69 right now. So it's a pretty impactful move right now. So why don't we just dive into the nitty gritty and see about this from your immediate short term here, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this now. All right, downside into the 2-minute time frame is okay. All right, let's see. We're still catching some downside into the 4. Yeah, 5-minute time frame still downside. 10-minute time frame looks like where it's kind of ending. I'm going to suggest that that would be a total of 10 minutes of downside. We're looking at about just about 223.81, so not even that far away, right? So just about right at this point here, and I'm going to highlight it just like this right there. Okay. It does look like it's building a little bit of a head and shoulders here, guys. We're going to have to be careful with that. But I can see why. And I can actually already see the trajectory of this. Okay, so let's just go ahead and keep it short and sweet. This is price action likely coming down to this area here of 223.78, bouncing to the upside to validate these resistances right up in here, which would be your 225.29, roughly around 225.02. This would immediately face some downside to start testing this area here for potential continuation to the upside. So I'm going to just say that this would start validating more along the lines of, sure, the zone could be 222.86 to just about 221.93 before this can continue. Before this can continue towards a validation of a breakout in this area here. Okay, guys. So let's just go ahead and, this is kind of a large move already, guys. We're talking about 3-4 cents down, 4 cents up. Like it's kind of a, it's trying to figure out its place in life right now, right? But as soon as we can start clearing over these things here, that's that typically tends to happen. Here's the next potential too, guys. I'm going to have to give you a liquidity area just in case price drops into that. But if it doesn't, then okay, right? But this is an area here that we can experience some liquidity on a lower time frame. Let's leave it here as a blue. And if we are to experience this, say, for example, like an hourly time frame or maybe even a 4-hour time frame, I think we're already good to go with these liquidity bottoms since we just tested them. So yeah, guys, I think that the upside is something that I'm preferring here for the even into tomorrow. I do think that we have upside continuing all the way towards maybe even a day's worth of upside. So that'll give us just about let's see. Yeah, just about 236.58. So that's coming right back up towards these resistance levels here, guys. I think that we're looking not bad. Heads up on the resistances right up here, though. Okay, there's going to be your 230 this here, 232.73 to 234.34. With of course your liquidity grab at 236.53. Perfect. That That's just about where I think price is going to go, guys. Okay, so heads up, because even Ethereum is starting to look a little green right now, despite the fact that it did drop a little further than what we anticipated this to drop. But but all good. This one really did slip on all of that systemic crash. Many millions were lost and or liquidated just yesterday. So yeah, this is also reaccumulating pretty fast, guys. 30.53 was your bottom side. Currently sitting at around 33.25, so already up about 300 points. That's pretty impressive here, guys. Yeah, back testing your areas of about 32, 87, 57 should not be a surprise. Just in case it does come down there, you now know where that can go. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna keep it short and sweet here, guys. Just gonna make a quick little 5-minute video. You know, a lot of the times people just want to know up or down, Arca. Tell me. But nonetheless, I want to just remind you guys that I'm not ever gonna send you a message, okay? Friend request, or I'm never gonna ask you to transfer me crypto or storage crypto or nothing, or XRP, whatever. It's not me. When you join the trading team in Discord, guys, I'm not sending you a welcome greeting. I'm not doing any of that. So if any Arca is sending you that, it's not real. Okay, guys? And yeah, all good. So, but yeah, I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. If any questions, you reach out to me at arcabulls@gmail.com. Okay, guys? Thank you all very much, and we will speak very Scary Larry later. Adios, team. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very good rest of your night or day, and I will catch you at the bella mañana. Adios, team.